everybody. Hello from Londonist again. Right now, we're definitely again indoors. And here today, we're going to speak about the 10 things that you should do before you start your university. So let's go. First thing to do, definitely, arranging your accommodation. But arranging your accommodation, paying attention to details and finding your perfect match is not always easy. Of course, there are a lot of offers different universities make, and maybe you can cut off the costs and take a house for yourself. But for the first year, I definitely offer to you to get an accommodation in a dormitory. For example, Londonist has the most amazing accommodations all over London. They're all very close to center, and I'm sure they're all very close to your universities as well, because that's why they were built in the first place. To meet new people, to arrange your facilities and find out your daily routines, accommodation will help you the best for the first year and will make your job definitely easier. Definitely sort out your finances before you start, because a lot of banks offer different options for student accounts. Make sure that you have a student account, and then you will be able to get a lot of discounts all over the city for your student account, and it will be helping you. Decide what to take. When you are arranging your essentials, for example, for your studies as laptop and iPad, something technological, make sure that you're insuring them, and make sure if they go off, then there'll be an insurance to cover it up for you. Arrange your rail card. Make sure you get a 1625 rail card. It's £30 per year and £70 for 3 years. If you're planning on visiting family, friends, or other universities, this will definitely be your need. Get reading. A lot of universities upload their reading list weeks before their courses start online, and you will be able to find the book list that you're going to be ready for your courses and lessons, so you will feel like you're building up for your lectures. Of course, you don't have to own every book, but owning some and knowing to where to focus in the beginning will help you a lot. Also, of course, you'll be able to get some books from your university's library as well. Definitely arrange a health check with your GP, since health is our main subject this year. You'll be able to get the results, your blood tests, or all the checkout you need, and then you'll be able to avoid from freshers flu, which generally starts in the first week of universities due to lack of sleep or exercise and drastic change in your diets. If you can, just start living in the area before your university opens and lectures start, so you will be able to get to know the place much better. You'll have to get familiar with the area, so you will know where your GP is, where the nearest library is, where to get what from, and you'll feel familiar and safer since you've started school. Definitely learn to cook before you start university, because at some point you'll get fed up with ready food or eating out of boxes, and you will want to start a healthier diet, and actually focusing on cooking will just ease your mind while you're going through such a hard work. If you're studying out of your city or out of your country, you will definitely at some point start to feel homesick, and maybe won't even realize when you start to feel homesick because you're so caught up in studying. So just make sure that you spend as much as time with your friends and family before you come here, so you'll be like, okay, I spent some time before, so I don't have to worry about it right now. Make sure you get involved in Freshers Week, because during that time you will lead a lot of socializing and you won't have the time to socialize. So in the Freshers Week is the main platform to find a lot of students, a lot of people who are going through the same phases as you are, and it will give you a sense of community. I hope you all are going to be organized enough to get this all done before you start university, because these little simple tips are just going to make your life a lot easier. Have an amazing studying year.